Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Smile Direct Club update. I haven't done one in like 4 months, so I figured I would update you guys with what is currently going on with me. If you guys haven't seen any of my Smile Direct Club videos, I will leave them down below. I documented everything that I went through on my journey last year, so if you guys are interested in them, I will link them down below. So pretty much where we left off in my last video was whether or not I was gonna go down the route of getting refinements or if I was just going to get retainers made that actually fit my teeth. The problem that I ran into at the end of my treatment plan was that the retainers that they sent me did not fit me at all. I contacted Smile Direct Club and I kind of, to be honest with you guys, put all of this off for a few months. In one of my videos, I kind of explained that I was just going through a few things. I wasn't really filming videos, so I kind of put everything aside. And it's been about 8 months since I finished my treatment plan. I have been wearing my last month aligners only at nighttime. I did get another set though because the other ones were getting kind of gross, so I don't wear them during the day. I strictly only wear them at night. And to be honest with you guys, I feel like my teeth haven't moved at all. I know at the end of your treatment plan, you're supposed to wear the retainers strictly for 6 months straight, I believe, and then you just wear them nightly. But honestly, for the past like 8 months, I've only been wearing my last month aligners at bedtime. In my last video, I also kind of mentioned the fact that my wisdom teeth started to come through a little bit after I finished my whole treatment plan, which really scared me. They definitely have been coming through a little bit more. They aren't fully through yet, but I definitely need to get those pulled soon because I honestly don't want them to interfere with anything that I have done, any of the movement my teeth have done. So I definitely suggest getting your wisdom teeth pulled before you guys start this if you do still have your wisdom teeth. I don't have dental insurance, so I'm definitely gonna have to pay out of pocket, so that's another reason why I've kind of been putting it off. I don't know if I'm going to wait and get my wisdom teeth pulled and then go ahead with my refinements, but I don't really have the money to spend on getting my wisdom teeth pulled right now, and I really don't want to put off the refinements any longer because it has been about 8 months since I finished. So I'm kind of stuck right now, so I definitely have to make a decision on that and make it quick. So yeah, I'm going with refinements. As you guys can see back there, I have the box that they sent me. It took them a few weeks to send it to me, and I just haven't gotten around to making my impressions and sending them in. The first time around, I went to a smile shop, and I definitely recommend that if you guys are within the area of a smile shop, even if it's a few hours. I definitely think it's worth the drive. I know that the impressions can be very difficult to do. Usually my first time around, they get rejected. So I know it's just really a pain in the ass to do them, so I definitely suggest going to a smile shop if you guys definitely can get to one. At this time, I'm not able to get to a smile shop, so that's why I had them send me an impression kit. Hopefully, I get them right the first time. So yeah, that's really it. It's a really quick and short update. I don't know if you guys can even tell from this video as far as the progress of my teeth. I honestly don't think that they have moved within the past 8 months, so I think I am pretty good as far as that. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm always answering questions that you guys leave down below for me, and I'm always willing to help you guys out if you do have any questions or concerns about anything regarding Smile Direct Club. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.